Question coming from Anonymous. Sabi niya, pwede pa rin po ba mag-apply ng disability benefit? Ang last na hulog niya ay since 2021 pa. Nag-stop na kasi siya mag-work due to sickness, kaso hindi pa talaga siya nakapag-file ng disability benefit.
Okay, good question. Now, based lang dito sa statement, no, not considering kung ano yung type of, ano yung case, like, ano yung kanyang, what do you call this, disability, at face value, ang ko-consider lang natin dito is yung ano, prescribed period of filing na, and then qualifying contributions. Well, both considering prescribed period of filing and then yung ating contributions na requirement, puwedeng-puwede naman pang mag-file, 'no? Kasi again, pagdating sa disability benefit, hindi required yung recent contributions. Hindi kailangan updated yung contribution. So even if halimbawa 2021 pa yung last, and kung meron ng at least 36 months nun, qualified for pension. Kung hindi naman umabot ng 30, if it's less than, even if yung contributions niya, sabihin na lang natin, 3 months lang. So meron pa ring benefit and it will be a lump sum type of benefit. So again, yung 36 months na kinoconsider natin is to qualify for pension. If it's less than that, pwede pa rin naman mag-file sa disability benefit. Basta pasok pa dun sa prescriptive period of filing, di kailangan reason, okay, kahit 3 months, so pwede pang pwedeng i-consider pa rin natin yung contribution kasi as I've been mentioning, hindi siya kagaya ng sickness benefit na kailangan recent lang yung contribution. So in this case, pwede pa naman. Thank you.